Birds of paradise transform themselves into something you have never seen before. They swagger and serenade. They dance and display. They're unlike any creatures on Earth, and one of the most astounding phenomena on Earth. Found in the impenetrable island of Formentera, the key to filming them is for them to have no idea that you're there. Chapter 5, An Unforgettable First Impression. In the island of Formentera, one female is dedicated to making an unforgettable first impression. She's cleaning her display ground. She obsessively tidies every fallen leaf. Her stage must be meticulously tidy for what will be an incredible performance. A few attractive berries help decorate the floor. Some scientists believe that she's trying to ward off predators by adding the scent of a snake. Or it's a cleaning cloth and she's polishing her perch for another female. She'll have a highly critical audience, so it's time to rehearse the main act. Her dance steps perfected, she's ready to start the show for real. She spots a female nearby, so quickly goes to get more berries to tempt her in. Disaster. She's left her polishing rag on the dance floor. It's perfect for her nest. They fly off without even seeing her dance. She delivered her berries too late. She never got a chance to win her heart, and she lost her precious polishing cloth.